we will present our comprehensive analysis of the integrated supply chain workflow for Degrees Cafe. In the competitive landscape of food and beverage industry, a cafe's success isn't just about the taste of the coffee. It is about the invisible engine running behind the scenes, the supply chain. Our study aims to pull back the curtain on the Degrees Cafe to evaluate their current operational workflow, pinpoint critical performance gaps, and propose the data-driven improved framework. Our ultimate goal is to transform their supply chain into a strategic asset that enhances efficiency, ensures premium service quality, and championship sustainability.
To understand where we are going, we must first look at where the cafe stands today. The current supply chain of the Grease Cafe operates on a traditional linear model consisting of 5 key stages. First is planning. Currently, this is a simplified process where the management estimates daily demand based on intuition and previous day's foot traffic. Second is sourcing. They rely on a set of local suppliers for their core inventory, which is coffee beans, dairy, and meat. This localized sourcing supports the community but leaves them vulnerable to local market fluctuations. Third one is making. This is the transformation stage. Raw ingredients are converted into signature beverages and milled through manual preparation. Fourth one is delivery. At Degrees, delivery is defined as the last mile interaction, serving dine-in guests, and managing quick turnaround takeout orders. Last one is customer. The cycle concludes with consumption and informal feedback, which rarely gets documented systematically.
Our evaluation revealed a mixed bag performance. On the strength side, Degrees Cafe excels in the product freshness due to their local sourcing, and they maintain high customer loyalty through affordable pricing and rapid customer service. However, our gap analysis identified three critical bottlenecks that hinder growth. So the first one is reactive planning, because demand forecasting is based on gut feel rather than historical data. The cafe often face stockouts during peak hours of dead stock during slow periods. And the next one is supplier dependency. Relying on a limited number of local vendors creates a signal point of failure. If one supplier fails, the menu suffers. And the last one is inventory blindness. Without a digital inventory system, tracking waste and cost of goods sold becomes nearly impossible. This gap results in unnecessary overhead costs and occasionally frustrated customers who can't order their favorite drink.
To bridge these gaps, we propose a modernized integrated supply chain framework. This isn't just a change in choice, it's a change in strategy. Advanced planning. We recommend implementing a simple point of sale data analysis system. By tracking sale trends, the cafe can predict busy weekends or seasonal shift with 90% accuracy. Strategic sourcing. We suggest a diversified supplier map by establishing backup contracts and quality benchmarks. The cafe ensures a steady flow of premium beans regardless of local shortages. Standardized making. We propose standard operating procedures for every recipe. This ensures that a latte stays the same at 8 a.m. as it does at 8 p.m., reducing ingredient waste through precision. Optimize delivery. By introducing a digital ticketing system, we can organize orders more efficiently, reducing wait times by estimated 15 to 20%. Closing the loop. We propose a formal digital feedback loop to capture customer data, allowing the supply chain to adapt to changing tastes in real time.
This improved model is built on two pillars, efficiency and sustainability. By reducing overordering through better planning, we directly minimize food waste. By supporting a wider net and local suppliers, we reduce the carbon footprint associated with long-distance logistics. We aren't just making the cafe more profitable, we're making it more responsible.
In conclusion, effective supply chain management is the backbone of the Degrees Cafe's future. By transitioning from a reactive to proactive system, improving our planning, sourcing, and standardization, Degrees Cafe can achieve consistent service quality and long-term resilience.